It's story time!
A Shoebox by the Window by Alyssa Liang. Ben and Timmy are playing in the backyard. A pigeon falls out of a tree. He drops on the ground. Ben and Timmy run to the pigeon. Ben picks him up carefully. His wings are broken. He can't fly. Ben and Timmy take the pigeon inside the house. They put him in a shoebox and place the shoebox by the window. Ben and Timmy feed the pigeon corn and water every day. Ben keeps his bedroom window open. He wants the pigeon to feel free to fly back to his family when he is better. One morning, Ben is still sleeping. He feels something pecking on his forehead. He opens his eyes. It is the pigeon. His wings have healed. He can fly again. Ben takes the pigeon outside. The pigeon flaps his wings and flies away. Ben and Timmy keep the empty shoebox by the window. They miss the pigeon. Sometimes they look up at the sky. They hope they can see him. One morning, Ben wakes up. He sees the pigeon resting inside the shoebox with another pigeon. Ben is excited. He quickly wakes up Timmy. He yells, "Come and look, Timmy! The pigeon is back with a girlfriend, I think." "She is not just a girlfriend," says Timmy, pointing to the eggs underneath the other pigeon. "She is going to be a mother pigeon. He is going to be a father pigeon. They are going to have babies." Two baby pigeons hatch out of the eggs. Father pigeon and mother pigeon take very good care of their babies. They live happily ever after inside the shoebox by the window.
Let's do the activities!
Activity 1. Trace the word and color the picture. Who are they? Where do they live?
They are pigeons. They live in a shoebox by the window.
Activity 2. Draw a line along the path to see what happens to a pigeon.
A pigeon falls out of a tree. His wings are broken. Ben and Timmy put him in a shoebox. They feed him every day. Ben keeps the window open. The pigeon's wings have healed. Ben lets him fly away. He comes back with his girlfriend.
Activity 3. Complete the sentences with the correct words in the story.
The pigeon is back with his girlfriend. They are going to have babies. They live happily ever after in the shoebox.
Activity 4. Complete the sentences by using words with a long E, as in feet or see. Read the sentences.
3 bees are flying to a tree. 3 jeeps are driving in the street. 3 geese are walking to the beach. 3 queens are drinking tea.
Activity 5. What happens next? Connect the pictures in the correct order.
The pigeon's wings are broken. He can't fly. Ben and Timmy put the pigeon in a shoebox and feed him every day. The pigeon's wings have healed. Ben and Timmy let him fly away. The pigeon is back with his girlfriend. The pigeons have 2 babies and live happily in the shoebox by the window.